to save $27 at Droid Depot? Watch this. Droid Depot sells backpacks for $50. Well, that's half of the cost of the Droid. So if you don't want to carry around a cardboard box the whole day, but you also don't want to spend half the cost of the Droid on a backpack that you probably won't use after your trip, then I recommend getting this backpack off of Amazon. It's $12.99. And I'll have a link in the description box below. You can still see it interacting throughout Batu. Here's R232 in the backpack. Fits perfectly. So if you want to save $37, I recommend getting this backpack. Again, link in the description box below. $12.99 on Amazon. Okay. My family loved Droid Depot. This is Nella, my daughter made her. And this is R232, my son made him. They come with remote controls. They're fun, and you can add on extra chips to change their sounds. We didn't do that, we just did the basic cost. Now for the giveaway this week, I am giving this backpack away, not R232. My son would not be happy. And also, this bag is new, it has not been used. And I'm also giving away these Chewbacca. I didn't push the button. I'm also giving away these Chewbacca ears that you guys can wear. And they're Disney ears I got from Shop Disney. So to enter this Star Wars giveaway, subscribe to my channel, and bonus entries for leaving a comment down below. You can join my Facebook group or follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for your support. And remember, I'm a travel agent, so if you'd like to get connected, click the request a quote down below. Share Pixie Dust and take the trip, guys. Bye.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, like with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we wait